Don't make me do something I don't wanna!
Jesus!
Come on, then! Who you think you're hitting, prick? You wanna die here? 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 You want me to shut up? You got something to say?
Show me some respect, mister!
Fuck you! You're really starting to piss me off!
Where the hell do you get off?
You motherfucker!
You are making a real fucking mistake!
You asshole! Don't make me fucking stop! Fucking yeah! I gotta... Yeah! 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 Fucking yeah! Yeah! Fucking yeah! Fuck all of you! You have a fucking clue who you're fucking with? Okay, we're not joking, are we? You're fucking dead! Fuck you!
Michael!
Are you fucking with me?
Be calm.
I just want this caring about two things at once. Love my family, live the dream. But at the same time, I really want the other stuff too.
Wanna be heroes with me or what?
Guess we give it a try.
Alright then.
So, I need to go through the 4-step building. Thanks for saving my life, stepbrother, but I'm finishing this alone.
You're welcome, stepsister.